Welcome fellas into this new video of Tech Express. Today let's talk a little bit more about the upgrade of the graphics of your Windows. So if your games are lagging, your creative applications are crashing, or your display is acting weird, your graphics drivers is the most likely culprit. You might be saying this. So outdated drivers kill performance. So keeping your graphics driver updated is the single best maintenance steps you can take. So this guide covers the three main ways to update for the Windows 11 and 10. So the first thing is that the automatic Windows update. Like the most easiest way is to let Windows handle this. You can focus directly into your settings down here, into the configuration, and you want to make sure that you have always checked out the Windows updated. Directly here into the Windows update, you can always choose to get the latest updates and activate this. So you might be getting all actualizations and updates when you are signed in. The next time you sign in, the next time you turn on and plug in your computer, it might be appearing right away some updates on your computer. This will be like the most easiest way to keep your computer updated, including your actual drivers. So the next thing, of course, is to use the device manager. This is the universal method that works at every single time. So if you focus for the start menu and you press Windows key and X like this will be opening the actual let's say the device manager, or you can find and expand here the device manager. And here what you can do is to right click into the main graphic cards. For example, the NVIDIA cards that you might be appearing find here directly inside here. And what you can do is to check out, for example, my software elements. Or even what I can do is to just scroll a little bit down like this. Another elements, processors. And make sure that I can look out for the option that says update. So choose the option, search automatically for updates driver software. Windows will check its catalog for the best available driver and install if a new version is found. So make sure that you have always done this process with your firmware. You can do it with your own element, which in this case I have my own device, and try to update this every time I wanted to. So when you finish with this process, you can have the manufacturer's website. So the first two methods are good, but they sometimes miss the latest performance boosting drive. So for gamers and creators, you must go to the source, the manufacturer's website. In my case, for example, we are NVIDIA users. You wanted to go for the official driver download page. You can often use the automated dictation tools to get this started. So the NVIDIA might be looking and might be appearing in here. Or what you can do is to even look out for the actual computer that you currently have, which in my case would be my Asus, for example, and you can go directly inside here. So basically into this element, what you need to do, of course, is to make sure that your account is now been correctly signed in, and you can focus directly into the updates of your files. So sometimes this might not be appearing into the Windows update, and sometimes it will. So as you can see here, have the actualizations of the actual driver. So update the Armor Creative Control interface and use it together with the latest version. So you go for update. And as you can see, I had an actual one updated and I needed, of course, to change it. And it didn't appear into my actual Windows update. Something that I can do, of course, is that appears here into the actual NVIDIA, for example. So into the NVIDIA, I can go for the control panel of NVIDIA, and this might be opening here this new drivers of the NVIDIA, so I can be checking out how they actually look when I wanted to be making some updates. So as you can see, here is the control panel of the actual NVIDIA. You can even look out here for an NVIDIA control panel, and you can look out even for more elements of these elements. So for AMD users, you can navigate for the support and driver section. They also offer an automatic detection tool, but manual selection is always guaranteed to work. So once downloaded, you can run the executable file to the download. The manufacturing style is the most comprehensive way to ensure that you have the very latest software and control panel for maximum performance. So keep your PC running smoothly by following these steps, guys. So make sure, once again, check your Windows update, use device manager, use the manufacturer's website, or for the best results, you can always use your AMD, Intel, NVIDIA, whatever you're going to be using, right? So make sure that you have just checked all of this information when you're checking out all of these configurations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If this fixed your lag, let me know in the comments below. So don't forget once again to check out more PC maintenance tutorials. Thank you once again for watching this video, and hopefully we can see you guys next time.